We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. These are all the same bushing. We're gonna do one less than a GTR because yeah, this just looks like a stub and the bushings on the shock side. Normally on a GTR this takes a big bushing for the lower shock mount, but fortunately we're only gonna have to do 6 bushings. Knock on wood, these look pretty crusty, so hoping these come out easy. But yeah, we'll see how stuck these guys end up wanting to be. Alright, got the Hikis ball joint pressed out of this guy. Just show you guys my press setup for that Hikis ball joint. Cool, here's my other press setup. So it's not this one, it's this one that's a little bit canted to one side. 21mm socket. And then I got this random tube that'll be the female side when the bushing presses in or out. Alright, last bushing and also the most difficult one. You can see how creative this press setup is. And yeah, no kidding, this took me a long time to figure out the first time I did this.